This is one of the most important sports cars in years, and it's got nothing to do with those awesome stripes out back. This is the new 2027 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport. That's right, it's a return, an absolute legend. And speaking of those stripes around back, which are available on every production Grand Sport in history, it is what is found between them that is blowing our minds. This is the new base engine for the Corvette, and I am talking about the Stingray. This is the new LS6. This is a 6.7 liter naturally aspirated V8 that is replacing the long-standing 6.2 liter LT2 V8 that has been in every single production C8 generation Stingray up until this point. This is the next generation of the Chevrolet small block, which means, unlike the flat playing crank hearts in the current Z06 and ZR1, this bad boy is a classic cam-in block pushrod. Classic. But there ain't nothing classic about its 535 horsepower and 520 pounds-feet of torque. That is healthy. Super, super cool. But why would the new Grand Sport have the base engine? Well, actually, that's the whole point of the Grand Sport throughout history. Start with the ultra aggro Z06, soften it a smidge, put some heritage touches on it like those stripes, and the colors, throw in the base engine, and that's it. More capable than a Stingray, less so than a Z06, more of a Grand Tourer. Do not think for one second that this is just a fancy appearance package for like a base Stingray. No, no. Well, we do have the Z06's wide body. It means it also has the Z06's wider track. This also can be equipped with carbon ceramic brakes. It can be equipped with the Z07 spec really aggressive aero on the outside. It comes standard with Magnaride dampers. You can even put the Z06's carbon fiber wheels on this thing. Really, you can make this as hardcore or as more of a Grand Tourer as you wish. And if the 6.7 liter thumper ain't enough for you, well, here you go, Grand Sport X. This replaces the E-Ray as the all-wheel drive hybridized Corvette in the lineup that isn't the top dog ZR1 X. Now, I really liked the 655 horsepower E-Ray, but this 721 horsepower Grand Sport X means that this is the one to get if you do want that crazy all-wheel drive hybrid performance without having to spend $200,000. Now, speaking of price, nah, not yet. We don't know, but we can guess, and I'm thinking around 85 grand for the coupe, maybe around 90, 95 for the convertible. Oh, did I not mention that? That's right. We got not one, not two, but 4 new distinct variants of the Corvette. So we got the Grand Sport, we got the Grand Sport X, both available in coupe and convertible configurations. Man, it is a good time to be a Corvette enthusiast. Oh, hey, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We have a lot more reviews and first looks coming out, and I really don't want you to miss out.